Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a good day. My goodness, we've got a lot of things going on today, so let's get to it.
So let's take a look at the current trades that are still open. The first one is Canadian yen. And as you can see, it's doing really well. It is up about 288 pips. It has already hit the first take profit, and now it was coming back on me yesterday, but it's going back down again. So just to confirm, super trend is still down. Check. Prices below baseline. Check. Ash is an agreement. Okay, and our Heikinashi is still heading down, as is our BBPRC and our RVI. So this one is one that I'm going to stay in. However, even though I don't have any indication to close the trade, I'm going to pull my stop loss down a bit more because it was really moving there and I just don't want to lose any profit. So by doing this, okay, I have locked in 145 pips profit, even if it turns around and goes the other way. So there we go. But it may continue to go down, and we'll just continue to watch it if we get lucky. The next one that I still have open is the Kiwi yen. Let me pull that one up. Okay, so this one is similar in that it has already hit its first take profit, and I have actually, lowered that stop loss a little bit. You can see that it was coming back up on me yesterday, but it's going back down again. And this one is in profit about 284 pips. So let's see what we're looking at. You can see that super trend is still down. Price is well below the baseline. Ash is confirming. Our RVI is still showing down. BBPRC is still way below the line. And our Heikinashi is as well. Because this one is so much in profit, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to take my stop loss and I'm going to bring it down to the top or just above today's candle. That way I'm locking in 200 pips. When it get, the true blue, no nonsense people would say, no, don't do that. Leave it at break even, and just let it go. Give it space to breathe. In other words, if it wanted to come back up here and go down again, it wouldn't hit that. But I prefer to lock in some pips, so that's what I'm going to do. I did have a couple of open trades close from yesterday. I had my Kiwi CAD and it closed at break even, and my Great Britain Kiwi, I had two open trades hit the stop loss, and I had pulled that in a bit. So unfortunately, those were two in the hole. But I do have several today that I'm going to look at opening. So why don't we look at those together? The first one is an Aussie Kiwi. Pull that one over. So here is our Aussie Kiwi. And you can see that this one is going up, but look at how close it is. ATR 51, distance is 54. Now it's purple, which means these numbers are purple, which means it's still on the cusp. So, but I'm looking at this. Look at this. Look at this resistance here. Let me go out a little bit and take a look at it. Along that line, you can see we do have some resistance, but we're not supposed to look at that. I should, by all rights, be taking it, except that it's gone a little far, 54 as opposed to 51. Let me look at that. I have buy. I don't have anything indicating. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it, though. Oh, let me check my volume real quick. Yep, I have good volume. I've got my ash. So, here we go. buy. The next one is our Swissy yen. Let me pull that up for you. And here we have a sell possibility. You see that our super trend is indicating down, and you see this is a new sell here because this one came up and closed over. So now we have a new sell crossing. Let's see how we're doing. We're doing okay on our distance. It's 63 and our ATR is 97. We have agreement here and we have plenty of volume. So this one is a sell. Okay. Let's see if I have any others. Yep. Let's see. Let's check out Euro Swissy. What I do is I go through earlier and I scan them and I take a look at possibilities and write them down in a notebook, and then I come back and I check it just before the time runs out. All right, so let's see what we have here. Ooh, here's another one on the cusp. Let's look at this one a little bit. Look how it's been going down. It's been going down and going down. My goodness. So this one would definitely be against the trend, but it does have some support down here. So I'm going to follow my indicators, even though it really looks against the trend since it has crossed over the super trend. I have agreement with Ash and I have volume, so I'm going to buy. Okay. So the next one, well, we have to check it out because when I looked at it originally, the super trend had not changed yet, but it was close. So Great Britain, Aussie. Let's take a look at that one. No, super trend still has not crossed, and it has receded back. So even though we've got it crossing over and closing below the baseline, we've got an Ash signal, and we have volume, we can't take it because this super trend has not changed. Now you can see at one point it had, because when the price goes below that super trend line, it will change, but it is not there right now. So we can't take it. So that is our group of trades for the day. So we had a couple close on us, one break even, one in the hole. We have a couple that are doing really well. We're going to continue to hold, and we have these new ones that we have entered. So I hope you're having a good week, and we'll see how things go tomorrow.